How many of you would like a pet? Raise your hands.
I really want one.
Mouths are closed.
I
Okay.
have one.
So he is thinking, or he and his sister are here. These two
What
people
pet?
want a pet. So then I have to wonder what pet they're going to get. Okay, you think you have an idea? Go for it.
I think they're gonna buy a new pet so they can have a pet too. Yeah, so they can play.
Okay. What about you in the back? What do you think?
I think they're gonna get a dog.
A dog? What about you? What do you say? Still thinking? Still thinking? What about you?
I think they're gonna get everything.
All right, now here.
Wait, you didn't.
There's a billion. Okay, so there's lots and lots of things. Now here's the thing. There's a part where I need your help. And I need your help right here. When you see these pages, this means that you have to say this phrase with me. And it says, make up your mind. Everyone together. 1, 2, 3.
Make up your mind.
Fantastic. There are at least 2 parts like that. And I'm going to need your help when that happens, okay? All right, so my phone is set by Fairdale Alarms. All right, here we go. We want a pet. We want a pet. What kind of pet should we get? No, just listening at this point. Dad said we could have one. Dad said he would pay. I went to the pet shop. I went there with Kay. And so we went in. I took one fast look. I saw a fine dog who shook hands.
What?
Will you shake my hand?
Oh, choose Zion.
So we shook. So I said, I want him. But then Kay saw a cat. She gave it a pat. And she said, I want that. Then Kay said, now what do you think we should do? Dad said to pick one. We cannot take home 2.
Zion's coming.
Then what do you know? We saw 2 other kinds. Now, how could Kay and I make up our minds? A pup and a kitten? They looked like good fun. Now, which would we pick? We could only pick one. How many of you think they will pick the dog? Raise your hands, the puppy. Hands down, no dog. How many of you think they will pick the cat? Let's find out. But they have to. Make up your mind. The cat or the dog? The kitten? The pup? Oh boy, it is something to make a mind up. Then I looked all around. I saw something with wings. I said, look at him. We can pick one that sings. But then, look over there, said my sister Kay. We can go home with a rabbit today.
Rabbit, no.
Then I looked at Kay. I said, what will we do? I like all the pets that I see. So do you. We have to pick one pet and pick it out soon. You know Mother told us to be back by noon. And I could have done it. I bet. I could have said, what pet should we get? But you know what Kate did? Do you know what she did? She said, fish, fish, fish. It may be a fish is the pet that we wish.
No, a puppy.
Then I saw a new kind, and they were good too. How could I pick one? Now what should we do? We could only pick one. That is what my dad said. But how could I make up that mind in my head? So many animals.
Make up your mind.
Pick a pet fast. Pick one out soon. Mother and Dad said to be home by noon. The time may be now to make up my mind, but who knows what other good pets I might find. I might find a new one, a fast kind of thing, who would fly around my head in a ring on a string. Yes, that would be fun, but our house is so small. this thing on a string would bump, bump, bump into the wall. My mother, I know, would not like that at all. So maybe some other good kind of pet. Another kind maybe is what we should get. We might find a new kind of pet who is tall. A tall pet who fits in a space that is small. Look at all of those legs. Oh, look at where he fit. My mother might like this pet best of all. If we had a big tent, then we would be able to take home a yint. Dad would like us to have a good yint. But how do I know he would pay for a tent? So you see how it is when you pick out a pet. How can you make up your mind what to get? But what if we took one of each kind of pet? Then our house would be full of the pets we would get. Oh my goodness, everywhere. No! Dad would be mad. We can only have one. If we do not choose, we will end up with none. I will do it right now. I will do it, I said. I will make up my mind that is up in my head. The dog, or the rabbit,
Dog.
the fish, or the cat. I picked one out fast, and then that was that.
What? He got this.
Which one did he pick?
We don't. He got the fish.